Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be demonstrating on action button. You can see I have already arranged my buttons, so you can do that on your own. And I downloaded some of this icon from Feather Icon and all that. So I've group not group. I used auto layout to group it. You can see I'm adjusting it. So the next thing we'll do is maybe to change the name of our button. Let me name it action 1. Anything you want to name it, just to differentiate them. Anything you want to name it. Now here I will try to change the color maybe to black, something like black. Yes. Then the addition sign, I will try to rotate it maybe to 45, to make it 45 degrees. Very good. So now let's convert it to components, create component, then let's add component variant to it. Very good. So the next thing here is to change the name to anything, which is action. I know it's action 2. Here let's try to change the color. First of all, I rotate this to 0, then change the color to red. Change it to red. To red. Very good. So let's make sure that those ones above that we don't need, because of our we are going to make use of smart animation. Let's make the opacity to 0. Very good. So another thing we'll do is to reduce the line spacing so that all of them will come at the same place. This is auto layout, so we have done that already. You can see. So let's stretch it out, reduce it to this. Very good. So the next thing is to prototype what we have done already. Let's click on the additional button to this frame, then make sure that it's on smart animation, ease in and ease out, ease in back or something. Yes, let's use that one. The same thing here. So you can see we have the same thing there. So next thing I will do is to duplicate this to bring out the instance to know if it works. Let's check it out. Know if it works. Okay, you can see. So it works. Now you can see this is moving downward. We'll correct it on our frame, but let's be going. I want it to be moving up. Whenever you click it, it will appear through up, not down. So let's create our frame first. I use a lot of shortcuts. If I press F, I choose my frame. Let's put it there. Now when we present this, now when we click on the button, you see that this thing will move down. So we'll still correct it. I will show you how to correct that. Let me present it so that you see what I'm saying. Please try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've done a lot of video on variant components, on auto layouts, and some of these things we are using here on frame and all that. Please try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe so that you see more of my videos, showing you a lot of trick you can use to accomplish what you want in your designs. Excuse me. Okay, still loading. Very good. So yeah, we are almost there, so that you see what I'm trying to tell you. If you click on the button, it will move downward. So we'll correct that. Very good. So let's click on fit to screen. Let's click on option. Make it to fit to screen. Click on fit to screen. We'll click on this now. Do you see it's moving downward? So we can't even see it unless if we bring it up to the frame. If we bring it up to the frame, let's go. Do you see? That's the only way we can see that. Do you see? So the best way we can do this, I will show you the best way to do this is to actually change the constraint. Is the constraint to bottom and right. Bottom and right. Now it will be opposite. Okay, let's press click on present again. If not, it will not appear. If you press R, waiting for it to appear, it's wasting of time for me. So I will just leave it and click on presentation again, so that we'll not waste our time. You see that I have applied the constraints, which is that's the down, that's the bottom and right. So let's just wait for it to load. You see what I'm saying? Now instead of going down, the button will appear from down to up, instead of from up to down, which is exactly what I want, which is from down to up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's still loading. Very good. So we're almost there. This thing should load. Please bear with me. I think I'm having a bad network. We're almost there. Yes, very good. Very good. Now you can see if I click on it, it will appear up instead of down. Let's see what happened. Let's do that. Let's go. Do you see it? Instead of appearing up, it will appear down. Do you see? So this is exactly what we want to achieve. So subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos. This is how it works perfectly. Thank you.